Hi guys, rubber band powered car made with hard disk drive platters, the memory bit, for the wheels. And it works, but I've had an idea. I still needed to use the rubber non-slip mat on the floor to stop the wheels spinning because I was using quite a large rubber band. The idea I've had is on my main channel I showed that I'd bought these wheels and tyres. I only wanted the tyres, but I had to buy the wheels as well, and for replacing the tyres on one of my radio controlled cars, but I bought the wrong ones. I was quite annoyed with myself. For a start there should have been 4 in the pack and there was only 2. And, well, they're not the right ones. Anyway, I was looking at them. They got a hexagonal bit in the middle there. And I thought, I wonder if I can make them fit on there. So I've 3D printed an adapter, which fits in there. And then I can screw it in place. And then remembering to push these off rather than try and pull them off. If you pull them, you probably snap them. If you push them, then you're putting less stress on it. So that will fit on there with a bit of adjustment. I have to get them the right way round, funnily enough. That one doesn't, oh yeah, it is fitting. It's just been awkward. That one I've put a screw in to make sure it stays in place. That one I haven't, so I don't know whether I need it or not. Anyway, there we are. That's our, yeah, I will need to put a screw on that one. I've designed it to take a screw, I was just trying to get away without putting one in there. Right, so the question is, will that run any better or worse than those did? It shouldn't go as fast, as far, because for the same number of rotations of the wheel, it will cover less distance. Also, because the wheels are smaller, you tend to get wheel spin, but because they're rubber, we should have extra grip. So I'll try it with the original rubber band, and if it spins too much, I'll try it with this other rubber band I've got, which is thinner. So we'll give it a go. Right, original rubber band first. So 1, 2, 3 turns. And it started okay, and it's run okay. I'll try it with 4 turns. I'll just say I don't normally use proper rubber tyres on my cars because most school projects and that, they specifically say you can't use proper car tyres. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, they say you can't use proper car tyres because they want you to use your imagination and make your own. Right, we've got a bit more power here now. Well, it still went without wheel spin, but we didn't quite get the full distance. I think if I go for 5 turns, we probably will get wheel spin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, we didn't get wheel spin, and it did the full distance. Brilliant. So that's the difference between having proper grippy tyres and homemade ones. Summary. Well, clear difference between using the hard drive Platters as wheels and using radio control car proper rubber tyres. Much more grip from them than we were getting from them. I mean, not surprising, but yeah, we definitely got more grip with these tyres. But I would expect that you're probably excluded from using them if you're doing this for some sort of school project. They usually specify that you can't use shop bought wheels and tyres and you've got to make them yourself. So sorry, but it was a good demonstration of the difference. We were able to use, I didn't go any further, but we were able to use 5 turns around the axle of the rubber band, whereas with these we started getting wheel spin if we went more than 4 turns. Sorry, more than 3 turns. 4 turns gave us wheel spin. You'll have to look at the previous video to see what I mean. Anyway, there we go. Job done.